Should photographers disclose their secret photography locations? It's a topic with strong opinions on both sides, and it's time we explore the pros and cons. First, let's talk about photo tourism. When a popular photographer shares a stunning, lesser known location, it often leads to an influx of photographers flocking to that same spot. This phenomenon can boost local tourism and bring attention to hidden gems. However, there's a downside. Overcrowding can lead to environmental degradation. What was once a pristine location can quickly become overrun, littered, and trampled, losing its natural beauty. But it's not just about the environment. Wildlife can be severely impacted too. Take animal dens and bird nests, for example. When the locations of fox dens or bald eagle nests become public, they can attract a swarm of photographers. And while the intention is often just to capture the beauty of these creatures, the presence of so many people can disturb the animals, especially the young ones. Fox kits and eaglets are particularly vulnerable, and excessive human activity can lead to stress and even abandonment by the parents. Just the other day, I was walking along a local pond which had tall reeds growing that were above my head. As I approached the reeds, I heard a loud, continuous honking sound that startled me. I froze in my tracks trying to figure out what it was and exactly where it was coming from. It was coming from deep inside the reeds along the pond, and I figured it was either a swan or a goose that had a nest in there. It's springtime here presently, so there are baby geese and swan all along the various water locations. I backed away from the reeds and the noise stopped. I never did really see what it was, but I decided to take an alternate path back to my truck anyway. Now, on the other hand, sharing locations isn't inherently bad. Many photographers will argue that as long as everyone takes care to preserve nature, it shouldn't matter if a particular spot is shared with the public. Responsible photography means following principles like leave no trace, respecting wildlife, and not disturbing the environment. If photographers can adhere to these guidelines, sharing can lead to a greater appreciation for nature and its conservation. Ultimately, whether or not to disclose secret location comes down to a personal decision. It's about balancing the desire to share beautiful places with the responsibility to protect them. I know for myself personally, if it involves animals, I will not share my location. Maybe, okay, at this park, but not the exact location. So what do you think? Should landscape photographers and wildlife photographers keep their locations secret or share them for others to enjoy? Let me know in the comments below. And also keep in mind when you share this information to Facebook groups or whatever, or an Instagram, not only your local photographers will see it, but also photographers from other locations, and they may come as well. Remember, the beauty of nature lies in its preservation. Take care, everyone.